everybody, it's Natasha. In today's video, I wanted to show you this Dejeko art set. It is Animals in Their Homes from Timberdoodle, and it comes with 6 activities. It says 6, but it actually is more than 6 because some of them have more than one thing to do. Let me show you kind of what this comes with. My 6-year-old daughter has been using this and really enjoying it. It is for ages 3 to 6. I would say this could go up to age 7, maybe even 8, really without a problem. I wouldn't do it younger than 3. As you can see here, we've got this little instruction booklet, and the instruction booklet shows you the different things that there is. So there's collage, and so for that, there is this little kitty, and there's stickers, and my daughter actually on one of them, she already did it, and we misplaced it. So, but here is the other one that you can see that she did. She colored it and she added some stickers, and it comes with everything you need. So it comes with the stickers, it comes with the crayons. This one, I'm not sure where we put that, but she did already do that one. And it gives you ideas of how you might want to do them, but you don't have to stick with that. Then we have collage, and we've got this little guy here. Isn't he cute? This little clown. And it came with all of this stuff to make the collage. And this is cardboard. So this is very, very thick. This is also very, very thick. So these are very high quality. That's one thing I've always loved about Dejeko is the quality. So it did come with these little pom-poms, the eyeballs, the glue stick, and all of these cardboard pieces for the collage. And then you can see here that it has these numbered, and she could find the numbers on there and put them on. And of course, it tells you, it's showing the kid how to do it, but they don't have to follow that exactly. Then we have the mosaics. We didn't finish these ones yet, but these are what they look like. So we've got the turtle and the fish, but as you can see, there's these white spots here, and they simply put the stickers there. And this is really great fine motor skill building because they have to take the little stickers out of this, and then they have to put it on here. Again, these are super high quality cardboard. Everything is high quality. And then it shows you examples here. Then we have the cutting. And so here's an example. So she's cutting the top here, and then she just folds it and puts it together like this. This is probably her least favorite. There's some others here, and she didn't really want to do these. Well, she did this one, but then this one got ripped somehow, but she didn't really want to do these two. So this was her least favorite out of all the activities. And it does even come with the scissors that you need, and the little googly eyes if you wanted to add googly eyes onto them. But again, that was kind of her least favorite project, but here's what they would look like when completed. And then we have the transfers, and this was her favorite. She absolutely loved the transfers. So it is this big house. Okay, can you see that here? And it has these little things that literally transfer on here. So the transfer paper she would put on where she wants it, and then colors over it, and then it transfers the picture onto here. So these look like they're just on there, but they were actually transfers. So that is super cool that she got to make this how she wanted. That was definitely her favorite. She asked me to get her more transfer sheets. I don't even know if I can buy something like this without it being in a kit. But this was super cool, definitely her favorite. I mean, this is something you could put on the wall. This is also very, very thick cardstock as well. Okay, let me go back to the book. So it shows here, we've got, here is an example of the transfer sheet, and then you just literally color over it. And that was definitely her favorite. And then we have the building. And so for these, it came with a cat, a dog, and a mouse. Here is the mouse here. She added the stickers, and then you build it. And then we have the cat here, and I'm not sure where the dog went, but this was not her favorite because this was really easy, I would say. The cutting and the building, those were super easy, but she really loved the transfers And these were a great fine motor skill, and she also really enjoyed this collage. So she really enjoyed this kit overall. I was very happy with it, and it really kept her busy. And so I'm going to leave a link down below where you can find this on Timberdoodle's website. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you love all things education.